Look at the second lane, it's a 4 lane here. The second lane is empty for about 2 miles. I don't need to hold anything like that about 8 miles. He did pull all the way in because he didn't know how to drive. Now we've got one on here, a V-dub, it's in the 4th lane, just thumping along. Not really overtaking anybody yet. 4th lane. Hardly going faster than me. And I'm looking over and putting 3rd lane behind me about 2 miles back. Nope, 2nd lane. Guess I'm really frustrated does this carry on driving in England. Okay, 3rd lane. I've got to go all the way around it. Yeah, it's in the 3rd lane after that. It's just something else on it. How would you change lanes then? Yeah, from 2nd lane to 3rd lane. We'll use that. Anyway, that's the state of driving in England. That is rubbish. All in the 3rd lane. None of them overtaking anything in the 2nd lane. Maybe they're just overtaking that van that's in 2nd lane when they're coming in 1st lane. I don't know what it does. You see,